How to send money on Cash App without identity verification. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So Cash App is a popular mobile payment app that makes it easy to send and receive money from anyone, no matter where they are. This convenience is great for paying for items, splitting bills with friends, or sending money to the family. However, to meet the legal requirement like KYC, you have to know your customer and the AML, anti-money laundering. Cash App requires all users to verify their identity. So in this video, we'll explore whether you can verify your Cash App account without an official identification document or not. So unfortunately, the answer is no. You cannot verify your Cash App account without a government-issued ID. These IDs, such as the passport or the driver's license, are necessary to comply with the KYC and AML regulations, which help prevent the fraud and combat money laundering. So, if you do not have a government issued ID, Cash App accepts other forms of identification as well. For example, you can use a voter ID card or the military ID as well, and Cash App will also accept the foreign passports. This flexibility ensures that the users without typical forms of ID still have the options for the verification. So, in summary, providing a government issued ID is a crucial step for verifying your Cash App account, and this requirement is in place to comply with the KYC and AML regulations, which help protect against the fraud and money laundering risk. Following these guidelines is vital for maintaining the safety and integrity of the financial platform for all the users. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.